Hi, I'm Simon with AppliancePartsPros.com. Today we're going to show you how to repair your appliance. Are you ready? Remember, anytime you work on your appliance, make sure it's unplugged or the circuit breakers are off so there's no chance of electrocution. In this video, we'll show you how to replace the dairy door bean in a GE refrigerator. It's going to be a very easy repair. Should only take a few minutes to show you how to do it. When you open up the package, you're going to get a new dairy door bean. The dairy door bean is located on the top of the right side refrigerator door. It's used for storing dairy products. The main reason to replace the dairy door bean is if it's broken and won't stay in place, or if the bean cover is broken off. To get it apart, we need to open the door. So we're going to pull up and remove the dairy bean. This is the old dairy door bean next to the new one. If you don't have this part, you can get it from AppliancePartsPros.com. To install the new dairy door bean, we're going to place it inside the door, closer to the top, and then push it in and slide it down. Now it's locked. And now we can close the door. Plug the fridge back in and make sure it's cooling. Thank you for being a part of another successful repair brought to you by AppliancePartsPros.com. For any of your future appliance repair projects, please check out our other videos available on our site, on Facebook, on YouTube, and on Instagram.